Hello, today I am Evan Lee from Binus University. I would like to introduce to you about my research, which the title is Without Chu and Online Shopping Anxiety about the evidence from electronic purchase decision in Indonesia market, which we talking about the electronic devices, which is about the smartphone or household and etc. I continue, but this is my abstract. Okay, the examine the influence of 2002 construct on the electronic product purchase decision in Indonesia market. The second one is the incorporate online shopping anxiety. So we combine the without construct to the anxiety as a moderating variable, which the context is in Shopee, Tokopedia, Lazada, TikTok Shop, and Blibli. This study is a quantitative study which with 410 respondents which purchase the electronic products within 6 months. And the data analyzed using PLSSEN. Uh, the result is the performance expectancy, the social influence, facility condition, and the price value have significant positive effect, and the effort expectancy has significant negative effect, hedonic motivation, and habit is not significant. Uh, okay, the shopping anxiety strength, the effect of performance expectancy, social influence, price and value, and then the extent without to and adding emotional perspective and highlight the importance of the anxiety reduction in e-commerce. Okay, let's start. Why I choose this topic, because of the shifting the customer behavior from Indonesian from the offline to online shopping. Okay, let's see is our internet penetration in 2025 is 212 million user, which is 74.6% grow each year, which the e-commerce sector growing at 20% annually. The online shopping driven the convenience, price transparency, and time efficiency, which the offline market we cannot uh, find from this. And then the market context. In market context, from COVID-19 era until now, it's a very long adaptation of the uh, online shopping. 49% of the customers continue rely on the e-commerce post-pandemic, and which the dominant marketplace in Indonesia. The first one is Shopee, the second one Tokopedia, the third one Lazada, TikTok Shop, and Blibli. Okay, and then the competition between flash driven by a flash sale, loyalty program, and social commerce feature, which conduct by each uh, marketplace to gain more and more consumer. Okay, and the next one is the electronics in e-commerce, the topic. Okay, the electronics is a very high value category in Indonesian e-commerce, because of which the GMV is high, and then it is make the very high revenue to all of which the seller or the marketplace. Okay, which very important for them to for their growth. Okay, the electronic GMV, which I get the data is the Shopee 7.2 billion US dollar, Tokopedia 3.3 billion US dollar, Lazada 2.7 billion dollar, and then the electronic contributes 27% of the Shopee GMV. Okay, high demand, uh, supported by very long daily because of Indonesia regularly use internet, browsing social media or the marketplace is about 7 hour 38 minutes per day. Okay, and then next the challenge is what? 89% complaint in 2024 is related to e-commerce transaction. Okay, most of them is come from the counterfeit product, delivery damage, unclear warranty, which the warranty is very difficult for them in order to find the seller or to find the marketplace, because of the marketplace just the media for them to sell, and which the seller, most of the seller, if they have some problem, the seller don't want to uh, for their after service. Okay, lack of the physical inspection increase uncertainty and reliance on the review. Okay, because some of the review, okay, some of the them uh, is not clear, the review, also cause some problem. Okay, next. What is the roles of the shopping anxiety? The first one is the online shopping involve the significant physiological risk. The second one, anxiety influence trust, perceived benefit, and the purchase decision. The delivery risk and the product uncertainty heighten the customer anxiety. Emotional factor remain the unexplored in technology adoption model. Okay, the what is the marketplace growth uh, in here, about 15 until 20% the expected growth in 2025. Okay, high value increase the perceived risk, which is the product authenticity, delivery damage, losing in the damage and after service, which just now we discussed about. Okay, the framework is we using the Vacantis uh, 2012, which is conduct the additional three uh, construct hedonic motivation, uh, price value, and habit. Okay, next, the purchase decision in online context. The purchase decision which influence how their product information quality, uh, seller reputation, peer review, and the platform reliability. Now, the trust and the perceived value is critically for electronic. Okay, and then the online shopping anxiety, which also we're talking about the perceived risk and about the uh, after service and the delivery. Okay, next, the hypothesis is like this. The H1 until H14, which we can show in the PowerPoint. Okay. Uh, okay. Next, this is the model for the for the uh, for the this one. Okay, the research. Okay, the research gap. The priority without two studies is focusing on functional and social factor. Emotional dimension, especially the anxiety, remain underexplored. Since I found in the previous research is very difficult to get. Okay, the gap is the critical, is the high risk, high value product such as the electronic is still difficult to find, and then the existing model, which the psychology decision driver. Okay, the framework, the research framework is the integrate the without two construct with the purchase decision. Okay, which we can show in the slide. Okay, next, the objective and contribution. The analyze the effect of without tool factor on electronic purchase decision. Examine online shopping anxiety as the moderating variable. The contribution is what? The contribution is extend the without tool with a psychology perspective, and then the provide the managerial insight to reduce the anxiety and increase the purchase confidence. Okay, next, the research design, which is using quantitative research, and then test is from with the online shopping anxiety as the moderating, and then the next is the population. Population is in Indonesia. Consumers uh, purchase electronic via online marketplace, and the sample is purposive sampling we use, and then the inclusion criteria is they are purchasing in 6 months and then 18 years over, and then the total valid response is 410 respondents. The sample we use to exceed the minimum requirement for PLS SCM. Okay, the data collection we using so many channel, okay, to collect the data. We using the social media such as Facebook, Instagram, the email networks, and then the online communities such as the WhatsApp and uh, Discord, and then so many online communities in there. We send the questionnaire distribution by online. We send the link. Uh, we using the Google Sheet. Okay, the participation it was voluntary and confidential, and then the questionnaire we use in Bahasa and English. Okay, next, the measurement. Like the important point is that we're using the 5 point Likert, which is 1 is strong disagree and 5 is strongly agree. And then the online shopping anxiety we adopt from the Fiki and the previous research, and then purchasing decision also we adapt using this, and then the pilot test we conduct to 30 respondent first. After that we test the reliability and validity confirm before the analysis. Okay, next, the data analysis technique we using smart PLS. Okay, have two stages: measurement model assessment and the structure model assessment. And then we're using the bootstrapping and then the moderation analysis. Okay, next, the result of the respondent is showing below. Okay, the gender distribution, male 53, and then female 46%. Age is 18 until 35 is 66.9, 35 years is 32.6. Education level below bachelor 47.3, a bachelor degree 34.4, and then above the bachelor degree is 18.3. Occupation employee 42.2, housewife 85, 18.5, a student 13 points. And then the online behavior shown as this. Okay, the marketplace selection payment they use is the result is this. Okay, and then the measurement model result we use the smart PLS. The result is this one. Okay, which the conduct all conduct meet the reliability criteria. The Concorde alpha is more than 0.7. The composite reliability is more than 0.7, and then the AVE is more than 0.5. The discriminant validity confirmed. Also, the no multi-collinearist issue, and then because the VIF is more than, less than 5, and then the measurement model is valid and reliability. And then this is the bootstrapping. Okay, the bootstrapping also the result is okay. Okay, because of the significant positive effect through this one, negative significant through the effort expectancy and online shopping anxiety, not significant through the hedonic motivation and the price value, indicate dominance of the functional and trust reliability relate factor. Now, okay, and then the moderation effect of the anxiety is the performance expectancy, effort expectancy, social influence, hedonic motivation, price value, and habit. No moderation effect on facilitating condition, and then strongest moderation found in price value, because of the price is very sensitive in here. Which more the price, more the anxiety. And then the anxiety will shape how the customer evaluate benefit, effort, and the risk. Okay, and then the model explanatory power that we see is the R square 0.56, and then the adjusted is 0.51, which indicate very strong explanatory power in here. Okay, the last in the result is and discussion. Let's start is the performance expectancy remain the key driver on the online purchase decision. Negative effect on of the effort expectancy is highlight the sensitivity in a system complexity, and then the social influence and the facilitating condition reduce the perceived risk. Habit strength the reliance on the uh, marketplace electronics, hedonic motivation, and the price value less relevant for the high involvement product. The anxiety direct in reduce the purchase likelihood and the alter decision mechanism. Confirm that important of the psychology factor in digital commerce. Okay, next the conclusion. Conclusion the study is integrated UTAU2 with the online shopping anxiety, which the result is the performance expectations, social influence, facilitating condition, and habit influence the purchase decision. If what expectation has the negative effect, hedonic motivation, and price value, so no effect, no direct effect. And the anxiety has the strong direct and the moderating impact. Extend UTAU2 in the incorporating emotional dimension. Okay, the theoretical implication is this one. The anxiety affect the purchase decision in two ways: direct predictor of the purchase decision and the moderator for key UTAU2 relationship. Strong moderation observed on the performance expectancy, social influence, and price value. Okay, they demonstrate the psychology state reshape reliance on the relation, and the social clue suggests high value online purchase cannot explain by the function factor alone. Okay, contribution to the technology and acceptance literature linked in the consumer psychology and UTAU2 provide and a more comprehensive framework to emerge the market context. For the e-commerce, reduce the anxiety through the transparent process, strengthen the product authenticity guarantee, and then improve the after-sales service and dispute the resolution, implement the third-party verification or inspection system for the seller, enhance the credibility with the accurate product description, uh, respond promptly to the customer inquiry, uh, provide clear return, refund, and the warranty policy for the consumer is utilize the platform protection, which escrow, return, and warranties increase the awareness of the risk mitigation feature, and then make the informed and the confident purchase decision. A limitation in here is a cross-sectional design limit observation and behavior change over time. Sample limited in Indonesia marketplace user only, uh, focus solely on the electronic product, high improvement involvement category. Finding may not generalize to low involvement product except the fashion or groceries. A future research direction is let's apply the longitudinal design capture in change in anxiety and behavior, expand sample to the multiple country for the cross-culture comparison, integrate the additional psychology conduct, trust, perceived risk, and certification must be very important. The combined quantitative and qualitative method to the deeper, higher into the emotional influence. Okay, so that's it. My presentation today. Okay, hope uh, everybody can have the advantage through this research. Okay, thank you. Bye.